God is saying to you today, my beloved child, you're trying so hard to control everything, every outcome, every detail, every fear. You think if you plan perfectly, you'll finally feel safe. But peace doesn't come from control. It comes from trust. I never asked you to figure everything out. I asked you to let me. You've been carrying weights that were never yours to hold. You're exhausted because you're fighting battles that belong to me. Breathe, let go. The moment you surrender is the moment I can step in fully. I don't need your plan. I need your faith. What you release into my hands, I will return multiplied and made right. You won't lose control by trusting me. You'll finally find rest.